Imagine creating an entire scene, a full story with just one simple prompt. From wide landscape to continuous action shots, Google VEO3 makes that possible. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create long, consistent images that feel like a movie frame, all from text.
Our island was once alive, but now the land is fading. If no one will go, I must. Let the waters be whole again.
Signal! I need a signal if anyone's out there. Please help me.
Hey guys, it's your favorite snow monster. I'm out here exploring the Ice Tooth Ridge today, and look at this view.
So I was vibing in paradise, right? Then this snake starts talking. Not normal, but okay. It tells me this fruit will give me...
Your love, they do me strong thing, like fire for my soul.
Abby created us with Google VEO3 for red, just from a single prompt. Unbelievable.
If you want to create video like the one you just watched, you need to know how to write good prompts. Yes, it's just one prompt, but it has to be detailed and well structured to give you the best result. But no worries, I've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to structure your prompt step by step so you can get quality results using VEO3. Alright, to start using Google VEO3, simply head over to Google and type in VEO3 in the search bar. Look for the link that says Google DeepMind here and click on it. Once you are on the page, hit the Try in Flow button, then click on Create with Flow to begin. But before you can generate video, you will need to subscribe first, so don't worry, it's free. Here is how to do it. Just click on the subscribe button located at the top right corner of the page, then choose the option that shows $0 per month. As you can see, you won't be charged anything for the first month. That gives you a full 30 days to create video at no cost. Later in this video, I will show you how to get up to 15 months of free access. So stay tuned. For now, let's jump into how to generate your first video. Once you're logged in, you will see this main interface. From here, you can simply type your prompt in the text box to start generating your video. Now, if you click on this section, you will notice these options: text to video, frame to video, and ingredient to video. So, this only available for Ultra subscribers. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each of these two in this video. So, make sure to set the output per prompt to just one. Also, come to setting icons here. There are quite mode options you could choose. You have VEO2, doesn't generate sound most time, so set the mode to VEO3 quality. You could also use VEO3 fast. You use 20 units per your generation, but for your VEO3 quality, you're going to exhaust 100 coins per generation. So it depends on you. It is important that this option is selected so you get a clean result. Once that is done, go ahead and type in your prompt to begin generating. So let's test it out. I will enter this example prompt right here. It says a high intensity action scene set in a scorched post-apocalyptic desert. So this is the prompt I'm going to add to this place, and this is what the man says. So alright, let's see how it works. I'll go ahead and click on generate.
A few moments later.
Signal! I need a signal!
Wow, this looks amazing. You can clearly see the facial expression, the lip sync, and even the body movement, all perfect in sync with the speech. So let's go ahead and try generating another one. But quick head up, when you are creating videos like this, make sure the words in your prompt follow Google content policy. Sometimes using certain terms can cause the video generation to fail. You will get a message saying something like generation failed due to the content of your prompt. So try to avoid using any sensitive or restricted words when writing your prompt. That leads us to how to structure your prompt properly to get better results. So I will copy a prompt here. The prompt needs to come in this format. Here is the format you need to follow. Whenever you want to generate video in Google VEO3, The prompt needs to come in this format. A detailed description of the subject in a specific location, what the person is doing, and what kind of style do you want for the image. Is it cinematic style? Is it pizza style? So you need to specify the camera movements also, and the voice line. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. So this is here, we have it. The prompt followed the format. So this is the camera movement and what the person say, and it says signal. I need a signal. If anyone's out there, please save me. Oh, that is what the person says. Let's go ahead and run this. This structure will help you creating consistency. So once you have gotten the detailed description of the person, it will help in creating consistent images.
A few moments later.
Signal!
Wow, this is really impressive. But I did notice that the tone and pitch of the voice aren't very high. So you can simply add to your prompt to increase the pitch of the voice. But right now, Google still has some control over the voice tonality. It usually chooses the tone based on the appearance or vibe of the character. And sometimes it doesn't fully respond to your prompt instruction. So even if you ask for a low pitch or high pitch voice, it might not always follow that exactly. Google might decide on the tone depending on what you are generating. But don't worry, if you want to adjust the voice or change the tone of your character, it's actually very simple. All you need to do is head over to 11labs.io. After you finish generating your video here, download the video, then go to 11labs. Once you are here, click on the voice changer, upload the video you just downloaded, and choose a different voice from the list. It will automatically replace the voice in your video. And if you want to adjust the pitch further, you can tweak the stability and exaggeration setting to get a more custom natural sound. Now, let us go ahead to generate consistent long video. So assuming after creating this video, you want it much more longer, here is how to do that. You want to click add to scene. Once you click add to scene, so you want to come down to this timeline, drag the play head to the last flow of this video. And then once you get there, you want to click the plus sign. You are going to add a screen to your asset. Once you get there, so you're going to see the last frame of the video generated earlier, which you're going to use to generate the next video. So we are going to click on this, come down here. As you can see, this is the frame you want to use to generate the next frame. So you want to paste your prompt here. What I like to do sometimes is to take the first prompt and modify it so that it will be able to flow well and maintain consistency. So I will paste the prompt here, change some few things here, and change the final output. Make it simple and generate your video. So it's generating the video, giving us the continuation of the video.
A few moments later.
So it is done. So let us move the play head back to start from the beginning of the video. You see, it started from the beginning and moved to the next one. You repeat the process for another image if you want it to be longer, starting from the beginning, moving to the next one, to the third one, to the fourth one. You can see how cool is this. So you can generate as many long video as you want from here using this pattern, and you will get consistent images.
Signal! I need a signal if anyone's out there. Please help me.
To take note of this option here, at times it changes to VEO2, so you need to change it because VEO2 does not have voice at times. That is how to get long consistent image. But wait, don't go yet. Do you know you can create a complete music video using just a prompt? So let's try it out. So we are going to enter this prompt. Now the prompt says a sunny afternoon in Lagos Island. So I'm going to paste in the prompt. So you click generate.
A few moments later.
Your love, they do me strong thing, like fire for my soul.
Wow, this is stunning. The voice texture sounds so rich. It even has that Nigerian African feel to it. And the voice itself looks just like a real music video. That means we can actually create few music video just by uploading an image to Google VEO3 and let it generate visuals based on that image. Can you imagine? We no longer need actual music artists on set to produce realistic music videos. This is mind-blowing. Honestly, this feels like a wake-up call for music promoter. There's a whole new way to create and promote music now. So let us create an interesting vlog video. So I'm going to paste in this prompt. Large friendly Yeti walks through a snowy mountain trail. So I'm going to paste this here. So what I specify here is holding a modern selfie stick with a camera attached. And let's see the result.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, it's your favorite snow monster. I'm out here exploring the Ice Tooth Ridge today, and look at this view.
Wow, this is so amazing. But what do you think? But you can also create 2D, 3D pizza style. Let's try that 3D pizza style. So paste the prompt here. Once you paste the prompt here, and let's click on, wow, this is beautiful. So this is beautiful. So just keep in mind that Google VEO3 isn't perfect. It can make mistakes sometimes. So don't expect the perfect results on your very first try. You might need to generate multiple times, tweaking your prompt here and there until you get exactly what you're looking for. It's all part of the process, so don't give up too quickly. Now, you don't have to stick strictly to VEO3. You can also use VEO2. Just remember that VEO2 doesn't include audio by default, but it is a more affordable option. Actually, there is now a version of VEO2 that comes with audio, which is actually useful and still more budget friendly than VEO3. So let me show you. If you click here and go to model, you will see options like VEO2 fast and VEO2 quality. Now the VEO2 quality model sometimes support audio, but not always. So if you are looking for a low cost alternative and don't mind testing a bit, VEO2 can be a great choice. It's significantly cheaper than using VEO3 for video generation. By the way, here is something important to know about Google VEO3. You can actually access VEO3 for free for up to 15 months. This is the link to go in with. This offer is only available to university students. So if you click on get offer, you will see that the free access is specifically for students enrolled in a university in America. If you are a student or you have access to a student Gmail, you can input it here and you get your 15-month subscription. They are the ones eligible to use it without paying during that period. So I have left all the prompt that I use in this video in my description below. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful video here. Like, share it to your friends, and also check this video here that I created for you. So this is a big growth guide, and see you in the next video.
Created us with Google VEO3.